Alright guys, thanks for tuning in. In today's video we got some of these window louvers we're going to put on the Honda Civic, so stay tuned for that. So these are going to be pretty simple. You just peel the tape off and figure out which side it goes on. And basically, we're just going to match it up and stick it on. That right there is how she looks. Alright guys, so this is just a short little video here to put some louvers on the window there to make it look like the Type R. If y'all have seen those Honda Civics running around, so pretty basic little mod. Just clean the window, stick it on, nothing major. Thanks for watching.